Welcome back to Stocklabs. Just finished up the month of January, and it was not great. I think it was basically the worst start to the year as far as the major indices go um, since the financial crisis. So since 2008, 2009, I think it was S&P was worse since '08. Or no, S&P was worse since '09. Qs were worse since '08. So yeah, tough month to be on the long side. But we're going to check out how Fly's Quant did for January to see if he weathered the storm or how well he did. Um, and starting off the year down a little less than 3%, 2.72%. Now, this is obviously not ideal, but if you put it in the context of S&P was down, S&P had to be down 5-ish%, over 5%. NASDAQ was down 8 or 9%. So as far as a long only strategy, for this to only be down 2.7% is pretty good. As far as what led the portfolio, and let me actually just add this filter for sectors. Okay, so what led the portfolio? It came in heavy on basic materials, especially in the oil space, which is really what essentially saved it because the rest of everything was not great. So the other side of it, the tech side, was all down. So yeah, got hit on the tech side, but at least made back some of it and stayed afloat a bit with the basic material stuff, and then with the other couple other sectors sprinkled in. But yeah, so sort of that, I guess, what people would call a barbell approach between basic materials and tech. Sort of helped to stem the losses. Biggest gainers. Okay, so EOG, Vermilion, Marathon, Fang, Magnolia, Devon. Pretty good. And worst performers, yeah. So a lot of the semiconductor stuff got hit. Semiconductor index was just in free fall for most of the month, and yeah, it shows up here. So Umbrella down 34%, AMD down 23%. Yeah, even Nvidia down 20%. These stocks were Teflon for a lot of last year and even further back, but they've been struggling of late, and this month wasn't any different for them. So 2% hit or 3% hit to start the year, and new portfolio will be out tomorrow, February 1st. Sometime before noon. Usually it will get rebalanced. Be interesting to see what the allocation is going to be. I'm going to guess it's going to stick with basic materials. I don't know if the tech will lighten up or maybe it'll just pick maybe some, I don't know, better, hopefully better tech stocks. But we'll see. We'll see what the allocation is. A lot of year left to trade, left to shuffle things around and make something happen. So this portfolio has been averaging 25% probably per year since Fly started it. Even going back to some of the Exodus days, which those numbers aren't logged in here, but I just sort of know them offhand, except for I think maybe the last year of Exodus wasn't great. I forget. Yeah, I don't have the numbers in front of me, but yeah, okay. So starting off the year in the hole, gonna have to climb our way out, and yeah, thanks for checking in. If you are a subscriber, waiting on new allocations tomorrow, sometime before noon, should show up. So be on the lookout for that. All right, talk to you guys later.